In the previous video, we have seen insertion sort. In this video, we will see quick sort. So how quick sort works is we will identify an element in the array as a pivot element. Usually it is the first element or the last element in the array. Then we compare this pivot element with all other items in the array. After comparing, what we do is if the item is less than the pivot element, then we add it to a left subarray. If it is greater than the pivot element, we will add it to the right subarray. So we repeat these steps until there are no more than one elements in the array. So as always, let us see this with an example. Consider this long array where we have got 11 elements from 1 to 11, which is shuffled in random order. We will consider the last item as the pivot. So 5 is our pivot. So we compare the first element with 5, which is 8, which will go to the right subarray, and 4 is less than 5, that will go to left subarray. 3 is less than 5, that will go to left subarray. 1 is less than 5, that will go to left subarray. 6 is greater than 5, that will go to right subarray, and so on. So after the first step, this is how our left array, pivot, and the right array looks like. Then again we repeat this step with these subarrays. So with this left subarray, so 2 is the pivot and 4 and 3 are greater than 2, that will go to the right and 1 will come to the left. In case of the right subarray, 10 is the pivot, 8, 6, 7 and 9 are less than 10, so that will go to left and 11 will go to right. So this is how the array looks like after the second step. Since there is only one element here, this is considered as sorted. So we need to worry about only this array and this one. As you can see in the image, whatever is highlighted is already sorted. You can see 1, 2, 5, 10, 11. These elements are in the proper order. So now let us go to this one. Here 3 is the pivot, 3 is less than 4. 4 will go to the right of this pivot element. And coming to this array, 9 is the pivot. All 8, 6, 7 are less than 9, so it will go to the left. Now we have left with one array. So here 7 is the pivot, 8 will go to the right and 6 will come to the left. So now we are left with no array which has a size greater than 1. So what we can do is we can combine all this array to get the final array. So as you can see, the items are already sorted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So let's combine them and we have the sorted array. So as you can see, we are repeating the same thing for subarrays. So we can make use of recursion here. So how do we do that? Let us see that in the next video.